Dear students, I'm sorry I'm at home. I couldn't be there because of the train strikes. I want to show something about me. So this is a photo that was taken from an AI system at the Next Museum, the Museum of the Future. I was very curious how the Museum of the Future would look like, and I was very critical on many of the art pieces, but also very much motivated of the potential, and I liked it, and I would love to talk with all of you about what you see in museums, what you see about the future, how things are designed, how experiences are designed, and what we can do with it. I love becoming a new teacher at transformation design at the Willem de Koning Academy. I'm from Holland and I'm a curious designer since forever. And I would like to show one of my transformation products I try to make. And that's this one. We knitted and crocheted a transportable pedestrian crossing for a specific area. And so it's a mobile one, so you can walk around and put it wherever you think you need it. And here it is placed in the right space where there's a pedestrian crossing needed. And we were crossing the street with our own mobile crossing pedestrian crossing. And this was funny, and this is a collective creation of a product that I've been involved with urban knitting. And also this bridge, we knitted with colors to make a change and to have a soft impact on an urban environment. And it's very lovely how people interacted with our knitted materials and how they are taking pictures and playing around with it. And actually, this is the soft side, but I'm also a very hard designer. And that's also my playful and my design. Oh, sorry for this, you cannot read. Yeah. So, because I'm very strict and when I'm teaching, I want people to find the assumptions that you don't see. They are not obvious. Find them, so that's challenge one. Secondly, test your assumptions so you can prove your concept being relevant, desirable, viable, or feasible. So you can have many different tests to find out, is it true or not? Is it desirable? Is it relevant? Yes or no? And why yes or why no? And then lastly, you have to find your assumptions, test your assumptions to kill your assumptions. And I'm very much into killing. However, I'm a very soft person and against killing very, very, very much. And I also don't like weapons, but I have been a game designer since 1999. That was my first game design. We developed a game for Samsung, a magazine for global citizenship. And so I've been designing many playful tools to make people interact with things, learn about things, find skills, knowledge, and an attitude towards those skills and that knowledge and the topics. And so I really like game design, but I think games are just an interface, are just a tool to get a transformation happening. So I've also been so lucky. This is also not so convenient. So lucky to design a book, to create a book, write a book about game design and how you can interact with people. And this is a very sloppy presentation, but I cannot be there, and I wish I could meet you, all of you, soon, because I think we can create great tools. I'm also a big fan of pressure cooking, that we create a concept, we build a prototype, and we test a prototype. I love testing carousels, so we can test our assumptions within a day and find out what is a good idea and what isn't, and what might be a good idea if you change this or this or this. So all of these things are very much about curiosity. I am addicted to curiosity. I'm a perpetually curious student, I always say, and I love to share this curiosity with all of you. And please feel free to ask me anything, anytime, because I think that's key to learning, to finding out, and to build the body of knowledge together. So looking forward to meet you all. Thank you very much for bearing with this ugly, fast video presentation.